Chapter 2. Sounds, Spelling, and Symbol. The first, sound. Sound is a vibration that typically propagates as an inaudible wave or pressure through a transmission medium such as a gas, liquid, or solid. Sound is the reception of such waves and their perception by the brain. We can define a sound wave as a disturbance which travels through some medium. Sound is the term to describe what is heard when sound wave pass through a medium to the ear. All sounds are made by vibration of molecules through which the sound travels. For instance, when a drum or a cymbal is struck, the object vibrates. This vibration makes air molecules move. Sound waves move away from their source, where they come from, traveling on the air molecules. This vibration lets you hear different sounds. Even music is vibration. Irregular vibration are noise. People can make very complex sounds. We use them for speech. Speaker transmit sound and acoustic and auditory phonetic focus on the basic of speech as it travels through the air in the form of sound waves and the effect those waves have to hearer, ears and brain. Phonetic has strong association with anatomy, psychology, psychic, and neurology. The EPA symbols of the English sounds, vowels, diphthongs, and consonants E, beat, A, kick, P, pin, S, su, E, hit, I, toy, B, bin, Z, zoo, U, book, A, hike, T, to, she, U, foot, E, beer, D, do, E, mission. 2. Spelling. Phonetic spelling is the representation of vocal sound which express pronunciation of word. It is a system of spelling in which each letter represents invariably the same spoken sound. For example, stop S-T-O-P, book B-U-U. 3. Symbol. Phonetic symbols are a written character used in phonetic transcription or represent a particular speech sound. Thank you for your watching.